Hello, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for, 10 long years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've worked thousands, literally thousands of IRS cases. I've been on that national news. Some of you have come to me because you see me either on like ABC, Fox, News Nation, Newsmax. This isn't advertising. They've interviewed me, so just go to my website. Today I want to talk to you about something that the IRS did years ago, and they passed something called a FAST Act, F-A-S-D, it was for road resurfacing. And in that act, people put in all sorts of legislation and bills. One of the things that IRS put in was the fact that if you had serious tax debt, this number progressed obviously since they passed the act. Today it's either $62,000 or $64,000. They notify the State Department that you have serious IRS tax debt. And matter of fact, in the letter, I will go ahead and tell you the banner text. It says, U.S. State Department has been notified of your serious delinquent federal tax debt certification. So what IRS does, listen to this, is they go ahead. By the way, the computer does this. There's not a person assigned your case yet. What happens is your case is in the CADE 2 computer system. The system spits out all the notices. In case you don't know, they file the federal tax lien. You may be getting calls from tax companies, hey, you have a federal tax lien, or you're ignoring them. But once that lien is filed, the IRS notifies the State Department that they need to revoke, suspend, and basically take your passport away. You generally have 90 days to go ahead and contact IRS and resolve this. If you don't do that, then you have to apply for a brand new passport. What does IRS want? They want all your tax returns filed, number one. Number two, they're going to want to say, are you current? Have you fixed the problem? If you're self-employed, are you making estimate payments? They want a financial statement then. And after the financial statement, they will either put you into currently non-collectible a payment agreement, or you can submit an offer and compromise. Once that is done at that point in time, and IRS closes that case, and you can close it pretty quick. We get them closed really quick. Then they go ahead and notify the State Department to reverse the certification, and you will get your passport and all your rights back. I do this very well. If you need us, give me a call. Subscribe to me. I give you the answers you know. If you need someone has an IRS problem, you may want to let me know. I've been doing this a long time. I've worked thousands of cases, and more importantly, I work for the IRS. I know, boo hiss, but I did. That's why you want to use me. Thank you.